Welcome to our video on the 5 key takeaways from the Total Money Makeover. In this video, we'll share essential strategies for achieving financial freedom and long-term financial success. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge you need to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Let's start with the first key takeaway from the Total Money Makeover: creating a budget. A budget is a critical tool for managing your finances and taking control of your money. It can help you track your income and expenses, prioritize your spending, and ensure that you're living within your means. So, why is creating a budget so important? Well, for starters, it allows you to see exactly where your money is going each month. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you may be overspending or where you can cut back. This can help you make informed decisions about your money and avoid unnecessary expenses. To create a budget, start by tracking all of your income and expenses for a month. This can include everything from your rent or mortgage payment to your daily cup of coffee. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, prioritize your expenses. This means deciding which expenses are essential and which are not. For example, your rent or mortgage payment and utility bills are likely essential expenses, while a daily coffee or eating out may not be. Once you've prioritized your expenses, create a spending plan that reflects your income and priorities. This can be done using a simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app. The key is to make sure that your income covers your essential expenses and that you have enough left over for savings and discretionary spending. Living within your means and sticking to a budget has numerous benefits. For one, it can help you reduce debt by avoiding unnecessary expenses and paying off outstanding balances. It can also help you increase savings by putting money towards an emergency fund or retirement account. Plus, it can give you peace of mind knowing that you're in control of your finances and on the path to long-term financial success. Let's move on to the second key takeaway from the Total Money Makeover: paying off debt. Debt can have a significant impact on your financial well-being, from increasing stress and anxiety to limiting your ability to save for the future. That's why becoming debt-free is a critical step towards achieving financial freedom. One popular method for paying off debt is called the debt snowball. This method involves listing all of your debts from smallest to largest, then focusing on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you roll that payment into the next smallest debt, and so on, until all debts are paid off. The debt snowball method has several benefits. For one, it provides a sense of accomplishment and motivation as you pay off each debt. It also frees up money as you pay off each debt, allowing you to put more towards the remaining debts. Staying motivated while paying off debt can be a challenge, but there are strategies you can use to help you stay on track. For example, set realistic goals and celebrate your progress along the way. You can also negotiate with creditors to lower interest rates or set up a payment plan that works for your budget. It's also important to avoid taking on new debt while paying off existing debts. This means cutting back on unnecessary expenses, avoiding credit cards, and finding ways to increase your income if possible. By paying off debt, you can improve your credit score, reduce financial stress, and free up money for savings and investments. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and become debt-free, the debt snowball method and these strategies can help you get there. Now, let's move on to the third key takeaway: building an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can quickly throw your finances off track. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial for protecting your financial stability. An emergency fund is a savings account that's specifically designated to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. It's important to have enough money in your emergency fund to cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. To determine the appropriate amount for your emergency fund, start by calculating your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and any other bills. Then, multiply that amount by 3 to 6, depending on your personal situation and comfort level. Building an emergency fund can be challenging, especially if you're already living on a tight budget. However, there are several strategies you can use to make it easier. For example, set up automatic savings transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund each month. This way, you'll be saving without even thinking about it. You can also prioritize your savings goals by creating a budget and cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Consider using windfalls like tax refunds or bonuses to boost your emergency fund. By having an emergency fund, you can avoid financial setbacks and protect your long-term financial goals. So, start building your emergency fund today, and you'll be prepared for whatever life throws your way. Now that you've learned about creating a budget, paying off debt, and building an emergency fund, it's time to focus on investing for the future. Investing is a key component of achieving long-term financial success and building wealth over time. One of the best ways to invest for the future is by using low-cost index funds. These are mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that track a specific stock market index, such as the S&P 500. They offer low fees and broad diversification, making them an excellent choice for most investors. To get started with investing, consider setting up a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages and can help you save for retirement. Be sure to contribute enough to receive any employer match available to you. It's also important to diversify your investments by spreading your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This can help reduce risk and maximize returns over the long term. If you're new to investing or unsure about where to start, consider seeking professional advice from a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized investment plan based on your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Remember, investing is a long-term strategy that requires patience and discipline. Don't let short-term market fluctuations or emotions cloud your judgment. By investing consistently and staying focused on your goals, you can achieve long-term financial security and build wealth for the future. Living below your means is a critical component of achieving long-term financial success and building wealth over time. It means spending less than you earn and avoiding the trap of lifestyle inflation, which is when your spending increases as your income increases. To live below your means, start by setting financial goals and creating a budget that reflects your priorities. Make sure your expenses are lower than your income and find ways to cut costs where possible. This could mean cutting back on eating out, shopping for deals, or finding ways to reduce your bills. Another key strategy is to avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the temptation to spend more and instead continue to live within your means. This will help you save more money, pay off debt faster, and build a stronger financial foundation. The benefits of living below your means are many. It can help you reduce debt, increase savings, and achieve financial freedom. By spending less and saving more, you'll have more money to invest in your future and pursue your goals and dreams. Remember, living below your means is a long-term strategy that requires discipline and perseverance. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. By making smart financial choices and living within your means, you can achieve long-term financial success and build a brighter future for yourself and your family. Congratulations, you've made it through the 5 key takeaways from the Total Money Makeover video. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Creating a budget is the foundation of financial success. Paying off debt is essential for long-term financial well-being. Building an emergency fund is crucial to protect yourself from unexpected expenses. Investing for the future is a key strategy for building wealth over time. Living below your means is the key to achieving financial freedom. Remember, these strategies are not quick fixes. They require discipline, perseverance, and a long-term mindset. But by implementing them consistently, you can achieve financial success and build a brighter future for yourself and your family. I encourage you to take action today and start implementing these strategies in your own life. Remember, it's never too late to start taking control of your finances and working towards a better future. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey towards financial freedom.